Hello, hello, hello! Happy day, world! Welcome to the Porenay in Croatia. Zdravo svima, dobrodošli na moj kanal. Good day, everyone! Magadag araw po sa lahat ug mayong adlaw Cebu! Hi, beautiful people! So, another week, another vlog. So, guys, this was last Sunday. It's a summertime here in Europe, Croatia. We was at the beach. So, it's overloaded Sunday. From the beach, go direct to the coffee shop as well as nag-church kami dahil nga Sunday. So, 8 to 9 mass. And after, nag-roam around kami sa town, sa main square. And then, magda-dine-in kami. So, guys, pizza-pizza lang dito. Guys, busog na tayo. And as you can see, ang daming tao. Kasi nga, summers, ang dami naming mga guests from different countries. And here's the video as well as the pictures of our small town Trugger. Here it is. Enjoy. Evo. Rakia. Kono'y gratchke. Kono mungkoy. We still have... No, itong utok ani ron. Tatapas eh. Ikaw niya itong ani eh. Daghan mo diri bitik sa kwarta. Bitik, diri na pita. Daghan kay pabitik sa kwarta. Magkanta-kanta lang ka. Butangan na ni mo diag. Sauranan sa mo. Kwarta. Daog na. Pero naman sa mga permit. Di basta-basta makatukod kang negosyo. Kaya mo nag ng lafang. Daghan kayong mga yating nakatambayers. So after church, lakaw-lakaw, pahangin. So puno ang town. It's full. Daghan parking mo ni daghan sa mga tao kay parking. Sa mga baho, sa sigarilyo, sa ubana. Klase-klase akong na. You get? There's smoothies, lemonade, ice latte, latte. This one. This is strawberry. Strawberry? Yes, strawberry ice cream and milk. This is chocolate?
Yes.
It's okay. Yes, I said strawberry.
But if you don't like, I can change.
Thank you, please.
You can change?
Yes.
Yes, okay.
Yes, because I said strawberry. Bigay niya chocolate ito. So order ko strawberry. Ayoko yung tanggapin kasi order ko strawberry. Strawberry. So gumawa siya ng ulit. Ayaw ko niyan. So sabi ko, ayaw ko change siya.
Thank you.
Hi. Thank you.
Napalitan guys kasi nga order ba naman ng strawberry, ang iyang gihatag is chocolate. Na-shock jud ko pagabot ha, mo ni strawberry, chocolate na gini color. Nagpailis jud ko, buhat siya. Wala siya ni tingog. Tawa dito na nabili na lang. Nag-order na sila ng pizza. Sila. Bago na siya, hindi na siya Big Mama. 4 Soril. Ayun na. This is surreal. Should be this. Angela, ready mommy?
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals, they take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. Now the morning is the afternoon. We lay awake in bed. It laughs so loud as the hours pass. We're gonna do